The Glasho Foldable Mobility Scooter is designed to provide enhanced mobility and convenience for users who need assistance with movement. This type of scooter is particularly popular among the elderly, individuals with disabilities, and anyone needing a portable mobility solution. The scooter features a foldable design, making it easy to collapse and store in small spaces, such as car trunks or closets. Typically designed to fold quickly and easily, often within seconds, without requiring tools. Made from lightweight yet durable materials, such as aluminum alloy, to ensure ease of carrying and maneuvering. When folded, the scooter can be carried like a suitcase or wheeled along, similar to a rolling suitcase. Equipped with an efficient electric motor that provides smooth and reliable performance on various terrains. Offers variable speed settings to accommodate different user preferences and environments. Comes with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that provides a good range on a single charge, often ranging from 10 to 20 miles. Typically, features a reasonable charging time, with many models fully charging in a few hours. Features a padded seat and backrest to provide comfort during extended use. Includes adjustable handlebars and seats to cater to different user heights and preferences. Equipped with easy-to-use controls, such as a joystick or handlebar throttle for intuitive operation. Some models include an LCD display to show battery life, speed, and other important information. Many models have a four-wheel design for enhanced stability and balance, especially on uneven surfaces. Often equipped with anti-tip wheels to prevent accidents and provide additional safety. Features a reliable braking system, such as electromagnetic brakes, to ensure safe and quick stopping. Includes LED lights and reflectors for visibility in low light conditions.